Hi, welcome to Keefling Designs. Today in Photoshop, we're going to make this cool sticker. So first, we're going to start off on making the Etch-a-Sketch. Everything you see here is actually sped up about 5 times the normal speed of what we're doing it. We're going to round the corners, make the red normal Etch-a-Sketch-like design. Now we're making the middle screen here. Adding the simple gray background. Then we want to give the Etch-a-Sketch a 3D look and feel, so we're going to make it pop by adding some blending options, Bevel Emboss, and Inner Glow. Both of these are really useful for creating that 3D pop. We're going to add a couple knobs on the right and left side. First we're going to create the left one and get it perfect, and then just duplicate it and add it to the right. Using the same exact blending options as well as we did for the background of the Etch-a-Sketch-like thing that we made. So we're going to get the size right. And then there's no point in recreating the wheel, so we're going to use an old design that we did, which you can find in another YouTube video, which we'll link here. But we're essentially just going to use the outline of this by going into blending options and adding a stroke to it, making sure that stroke's a large enough size that looks like the Etch-a-Sketch. This is a pretty cool design here with just the green, but let's remove that green background, make it match with the other gray, and then we're just going to add the words "get high." Same thing here, we're going to add a blending option, and then for this one we're going to turn the background off for the fill. The key here is making sure the Etch-a-Sketch never stops and starts, so everything needs to touch. So as you can tell, we're making sure that the leaf and the words touch as though this was being done for real. Some final design modifications, making sure the knobs are the right size and feature. Everything looks to scale. I had an Etch-a-Sketch, old Etch-a-Sketch lying around the house that I used. Blend this up just a little bit more. Give it a little bit more of a feature. Put the knobs in the final place. And the design is pretty much complete now. So we're putting our few final touches here on the design, and we're going to save it. We're going to load this up now as a sticker and a few t-shirts. If you guys do like these designs or the designs we've created on the Keefling Designs channel, please be sure to support us by clicking through the link below and checking out some of those designs. Here's some of the t-shirt options that we have available on the site, and thanks for following along today and your support of the channel.